90% of beginners get stuck on the last layer. If that's happening with you, then don't worry. Today I will teach you the simplest beginner method to solve the final layer. Without any confusion, let's solve the cube together. The first thing we need to do is make a cross. And if you have not watched my part 1 where I will explain how to solve the first and second layer, click the link in the description and watch that video first. While making the cross, you can get 4 different cases. The first one is a dot, the second one is an L shape, the third one is a line, in the fourth case the cross is already made. To make the cross, we will use this algorithm. If you get the first case, which is a dot, hold the cube from any side and perform the algorithm. After that, you will get the second case, which is an L shape. One edge of the L is facing the front and the second edge is facing the right. Then perform the same algorithm again. Next, you will get the third case, which is a line. Hold the line horizontally and perform the same algorithm once more. Now the yellow cross is completed. The next step is to match the other colors of the cross edge with their respective centerpieces, just like we did while solving the first layer. For this, we will use another algorithm. Here, you will get 2 possible cases. In the first case, the opposite edge pieces are already matching their center colors. Hold the matching edge pieces on the left and right sides, then perform the algorithm. In the second case, 2 adjacent edge pieces are matching their center colors. Hold one matching edge on the left side and the other on the back. Then perform the same algorithm. After that, your cross will be completely solved. Now we need to place the corner pieces in their correct places. It doesn't matter if the color doesn't match yet. We only need to place the corners on their correct position. For this, we will use this algorithm. If one corner is already in the correct position, hold it at the front right and keep repeating this algorithm until all corners are in their correct location. If none of the corners are in correct position, perform the algorithm once from any side. After that, at least one corner will be in the correct position. Then simply follow the same process I just explained. Once all the corners are on their correct places, turn the cube upside down. Now bring the corner that is in the correct position but not correctly oriented to the front right bottom. Then keep repeating the sexy move R U R prime U prime until the corner is solved correctly. After that, rotate only the bottom layer to bring the next unsolved corner to the front right bottom position and repeat the same sexy move again. Continue this process until all 4 corners are solved. Your 3x Rubik's Cube is now completely solved. Thanks for watching this video. If this video really helps you, then like and comment what the next topic I will make.